Hello and welcome to yet another video of Cornerstones of Math. When a is a positive real number, find the limit of 1 to the power of a plus 1 plus 2 to the power of a plus 1 plus so on plus n to the power of a plus 1 divided by n times 1 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of a plus so on plus n to the power of a as n approaches infinity. First, using the sigma notation, we can express the given limit like this. Limit of sigma k to the power of a plus 1 from k equals 1 to n divided by n times sigma k to the power of a from k equals 1 to n. Here, let us use this relation between the limit slash series and the integral. If the expression contains 1 over n and a function of k over n, we can convert this into a definite integral from 0 to 1, which is also illustrated in the figure. Here, k over n is this kth coordinate. So f of k over n is the height of this rectangle, and 1 over n is this width. The useful trick you can use is change k over n into x, 1 over n into dx, and the limit of the partial sum becomes a definite integral from 0 to 1. And let us apply this to our problem. We want to make k over n. In order to do that, we need 1 over n to the power of a plus 1 in the numerator and 1 over n to the power of a in the denominator. But we must multiply the same thing in both numerator and denominator, so we multiply additional 1 over n in the denominator. So we have, in the numerator we have sigma k over n to the power of a plus 1, and in the denominator, sigma k over n to the power of a. In order to be converted into integral, we also require 1 over n. So let us multiply 1 over n in both numerator and denominator. So now both numerator and denominator can be converted to definite integrals. So in the numerator we have integral x to the power of a plus 1 dx from 0 to 1, and in the denominator we have integral x to the power of a dx from 0 to 1. Here, the numerator is 1 over a plus 2 times x to the power of a plus 2. And the denominator is 1 over a plus 1 times x to the power of a plus 1. So we have 1 over a plus 2 divided by 1 over a plus 1, which gives a plus 1 divided by a plus 2. And this is the answer. And that was all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in another video.